Hi guys, welcome back to Playtime with the Physical Therapist. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Target Baby Registry Welcome Bag, which is free if you have a baby registry with Target. There are a few benefits to having a baby registry at Target, and one of the biggest ones would be the 15% off registry completion coupon that you get. You actually get two. You get one for an in-store purchase and one for an online purchase. The codes can also sometimes be stacked with some sales that they also have running at the time, so you end up saving a good amount of money. The other thing is that the items just need to be added to your registry before you make the purchase. Another benefit would be that you get free registry returns up to 1 year. And another benefit would also be the universal registry, where you're able to add items from other websites onto the registry. And one of the fun benefits would be the free welcome bag that you get. You can now either get it in store or have them mail one to you. I would recommend calling ahead of time, just because a lot of the stores either run out or they no longer have them in stock. For example, all the stores near me did not have them in stock, and if you have it mailed to you, it takes just about 1 to 2 weeks for it to arrive. So let's get started. Let's see what's inside. My bag includes one Dr. Brown's 4-ounce bottle, which is also including the green, I don't know if you can see it, the green Anti-Colic straw, which helps with removing extra air so that your baby isn't taking in too much air and gets gassy when drinking. There's also a Lancino sample bag, including 2 breast milk storage bags if you pump, and also 2 disposable nursing pads. These are great. I really like the storage bags. I used it all through my first year with my baby, and they hold up well in the freezer, and they lie flat as well in the freezer. There's also a Pampers sample, which includes, let's see, a newborn size diaper and a package of 6 Pampers sensitive perfume-free wipes. And I think there are some coupons. Yes, so here's $1.50 off 1 Pampers Swaddlers, and also $5 off. Also comes with another bottle. This is a Phillips bottle, and it comes with a Mam Bottle as well, and inside it says that they've also included a start pacifier for the baby. There's also 3 pieces of size 1 Huggies special delivery diapers, and a package of 10 wipes by The Honest Company, and then a few other smaller samples that are included. A small sample of Aveeno baby lotion, which we love. Baby Bum coconut balm. It says that it has plant-based ingredients, it's vegan, hypoallergenic, and it's about the same size as the Aveeno, so it's about 1 ounce. Then there's a package of Boogie wipes, which is awesome. We use it especially during cold and flu season. There's also a coupon for $1 off on the back. And then also the ever popular Palmer's Belly for stretch marks. And there's a sample for Aquaphor. This is great for when babies get drool rashes. You could just put some under the neck as well, or diaper rashes. This one's a diaper rash paste actually. And then there's also Pedialyte sample for Electrolyte. It's a powder. Oops. And usually I think it comes with a small red booklet, like about this big, with more coupons. I know they've changed it this year, so instead of all the coupons being in the booklet, there's a barcode that you scan and all the coupons automatically upload onto your registry. The store which I picked this up at said that their bags actually don't include it, and I don't know if it's just they ran out or they forgot to put them in all the bags, but I know that it usually comes with it, and I think that there's also 50% off a Starbucks beverage in there for the Starbucks that are in stores at Target. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good amount of samples inside the Target registry bag. I think that they included a good variety from wipes to diapers to bottles, and to, I love the breast milk storage bags. So let me know what you get in your bag and what you think about the Target registry welcome bag. Thanks.